Hi guys, it's your girl Lovely Naira. Welcome back to my channel. And today, what's today? Shit. Today is July 9th, and I'm here with Bridget.
I look busted.
We both look busted. We just said we at the grocery store. We at Aldi's. We're about to get some breakfast and stuff to cook today before, you know, we go to the movies and stuff later. But what you doing, Bridget? She's trying to get a box.
We got a quarter.
We didn't get a quarter because at Aldi's you got to use a quarter to get a cart. So now we got to carry everything inside a box. All right, let's go. So vlog, we finished grocery shopping. We got a couple things, period.
It's 2 minutes away.
Yeah. You already know. This lighting ain't bad. I wish I wasn't looking rough.
This shit we do in public.
You already know, period. Who better than us, all these? Nobody.
Fancy Uber.
Hi vlog, so you already know what's going on. We finna cook.
Period, bro.
So get on my shot. We got the pancake. Some sausage.
You gotta read it. That's so satisfying.
Bacon peppers for our eggs. Yeah, this extra shit. Cutting the peppers for the eggs.
I'm gonna kill you.
Period. Hi guys, so we're in Michael's. We're looking for the styrofoam belly, so we can you know, get pregnant real fast. You know, we just, if you want to instantly get pregnant, come to Michael's. Oh my god. Okay, this is starting off bad already.
The dog hair crumbled up in the face.
I know, it's
He balled up.
Wait a minute. That's $15.
You're gonna be reusing that thing.
We not
Yes, it
everything.
is.
So report down. It's
Look at
$15 for just this. Like, what can you do with this? I don't think we pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
No, we pregnant?
Yes.
Wait, I didn't remember.
Wait.
Side profile.
Do it.
Wait.
Do the
Side profile.
Do the
Hey,
yes.
mama, it's your song. You're pregnant, man. Throw it away too long.
Put the hands. Put the hands. No, you're not even doing a heart. You gotta look
I
down
can't
at
believe
it.
it's $15 for this. All right, dance. Yeah.
Arms.
Yeah.
No, you. Oh my god.
Yo, don't fucking, they gonna kick us out. Oh, y'all on Queennyrah? Now we at the Target. All right, go. I'm fucking crying. Your turn, Bridget. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. All right, my turn. Here. Get it.
We're in Target. Currently in Target.
Target. Oh, I farted.
Okay. All right.
Okay. We gotta get some tape.
Oh yeah. We do have tape at home.
Do you know where it's at? Yeah, both of us are
You just sprayed me. Bro, put it back right now. Put it back now. Fun sex.
So I don't know what kind of snacks should we get, guys? You know, we have.
Leave a comment down below and what we should get.
Because your bread stinks.
God damn.
We have like a variety of choices. So,
chocolate, feeling fruity.
You want chocolate? You want regular cream?
nigga,
Chocolate.
Open that damn
English?
Right.
Hi guys.
No.
Hi guys.
We gonna put a color. Now I see why we don't got our license yet. What? That is part no, parallel.
Okay, Bridget, since you know what you're doing.
Hey, Miss, I'm a driver, but I ain't got my license. Is that how you drive a car? Because it's not going to be that easy.
Shut up, Bridget.
Here, Donna, come on, hurry up. Okay. We're still vlogging.
We're inside the Uber. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello, lady.
Yeah. Bridget, do you got your charger?
Period.
Ooh, that good music. Turn it up. Hey guys, so it's later on in the day, and the sunlight. Period. We're about to be on our way to the movies. So I'm gonna show you what we're working with. So we got the little circle thing. We got the circle with the candy. I just gotta put it in my shirt. This gotta go here. Wait, don't it gotta go under my shirt?
Yeah.
Oh. It gotta go like this. What?
Wait, zip up the jacket. See how it's gonna look like that. Don't zip it all the way up though.
Why?
But not that low.
Wait. Oh, they gonna be like, bitch. Wait.
Too high. Too high.
Wait. Okay. Wait.
Yeah, sorry, y'all.
Carrying a
She's
child
pregnant.
is hard as fuck. Like, it's hard carrying.
How do you
kids.
feel?
I feel bloated. I feel huge. I feel very much 9 months.
Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, we're out. Guys, we're gonna see you there at the movies.
I'm the camera person.
Yeah, she is. You gotta record when I go up there to take your picture.
It's hot out here. It's very much hot. I gotta show y'all the food. I like you, babe, though, you know. Some slight, none much. Then
Get the grip.
some slight.
Get the grip.
Gotta catch the drip.
It's okay. Okay, vlog, we just pulled up to the movies, you know. Pregnant, looking better than ever. Period. You already know. Period. Where Roman at? Period. Roman? You already know. I'm scared.
She keeps saying her back hurt like she's actually, you know, we have to keep that a secret because, you know, it's really packed in here. What the?
Where's the bathroom? Donna. So, basically, people were staring at me, and one of the workers that worked there caught on. Well, she didn't say it, but like she was looking at me like I was crazy. But the 5:30 movies was sold out, and the 6 o'clock and the 5 o'clock. So now we have to wait until 7 to watch Spider-Man, and we're gonna sneak our snacks into the movies another way. Because like I promise you, everybody's looking at me like, girl, bitch, you're not fucking pregnant. What are you doing? So we're gonna sneak the snacks into the movie another way. And we're gonna have to go to another theater where like they not really like high on security and do this prank another time because baby girl. Yeah, that's what we're gonna have to do. But we finna try to sneak the snacks in another way. I'm trying to think like, should we put them in our pockets or cause I'm just not gonna buy I'm just not about to buy some high some high snacks at the movie theater. It just costs way too much. So I'm gonna have to figure out another way. Because I'm not gonna buy like $6 for a box of candy. We get it for $1 at the store. That's just real. That's retarded. And movie theaters, they be low key finessing. And not me, honey. See, I'm black. We gonna figure out another way. Always will. So yeah, y'all. Once we get some movies at 7, I'm gonna show y'all how we gonna sneak these snacks in. Oh shit, my hand was coming up. I'm gonna show y'all how we do it. And we gonna do that. See you there.
We up in Jimmy's right now. We had to wait another 2 hours. We have to go at 7 for Spider-Man because everything was sold out.
Don't cover the speaker.
And we're up in Jimmy's right now getting some food because we're hungry.
But y'all basically we have to find another way to sneak the snacks in because they knew that was pregnant, and I don't want to go through with it.
But anyways,
Cause I already paid for the tickets, and I'll be damned if you get kicked out.
Mukbang coming soon, man.
mukbang coming soon.
Everybody ain't eating, but we still gonna eat.
Eat our food and stuff. Period.
Oh, O'Reilly. O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Ow. Y'all, we about to be on our way back to the movies. What time is it?
It is currently 6:44.
Or 6:44. The movie. Well, the preview started at 7, so we're gonna be on our way out the door, y'all. I should give y'all a house tour. We just moved into a new house.
Oh wait, no. House
So-
tour is another video.
Okay. I'm just letting them know. It's a house. See, sneak peek. Mom, you look so pretty. Let me get in the sun. Maybe-
She's just gonna steal my shine like that.
Wait.
Period. Sun kiss who?
Me.
Period.
Not you.
Okay.
So let me know if y'all want a house tour. We can definitely do y'all house tour. Period. So yeah, we're about to be on our way back to the movies. Trying to sneak it in with my belly. We're gonna do that at another theater that's like not that's not really a lot of security because the Country Club Hills, they got security walking around. And they was looking at me like, girl, your ass, no, you're not fucking pregnant. So we're gonna do that next time. We're gonna do that at the one. I think me and Bridget gonna go to the movies next week. We're gonna do it at the one in Crestwood. So, yes, we are. Don't play with these folks. Period. So, Pooh. So we finna go ahead, get up out of here. We gotta make sure we straighten up everything. If Period Pooh was a person, to be me.
Well, that looks legit, so. Well.
Let me see.
Barely. No,
Bridget.
my titties.
You wanna do it?
No, you was just in there like this.
So?
My titties.
No, just be like, oh,
Girl, no. You just had it in your belly. Then I'm stupid.
we can walk in at different times.
Who I'm gonna walk with?
You can walk in with Roman and we can walk
Roman
in.
just walked in with y'all.
No, he did not. He actually walked in behind us. They don't even know we was together.
They gonna think this is my baby daddy.
So? Do you want to put on a hoodie? They'll think you pregnant before they think I'm pregnant.
No, I was just
That
there
shirt-
like 5 days ago.
Bridget, I think it look more natural on you.
I was just there 5 days ago. Not even 5 days ago.
So they don't fucking remember your face. You got you.
Yes, they do. We be up there like clockwork.
Then just take it off. Fuck. So Bridget put on the stomach. None of us want to wear it because we ain't trying to get kicked out. We just pay for the tickets. We gotta do it another. We could do it another time. At a different. We could do it another time. Bridget, you look like you fucking pregnant for real.
I look TV.
No, you don't.
I don't wanna play no games.
I'm definitely doing this at the one in Crestwood though. I'm definitely gonna do the pregnant thing at the one in Crestwood because they don't got like they don't even check your bags for snacks. So come on now.
Oh, that's why it's down my throat.
I'm sorry.
My phone didn't even charge.
I'm sorry. So we're gonna see y'all once we get there. Bye. Period. Gang.
You can't even see.
Period. So y'all, we back at the movies. I'm not pregnant anymore. I went into labor and we back. So Let's go here. Y'all, we still got the snacks. We hit them. Shh, we hit them. But, y'all see when we get in there. Period. Pooh. Can I get a period poo on 3? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Can I get, I said, can I get a period poo on 3? 1, 2, 3. Period poo.
Let me see the poo.
I need everybody to say it, okay?
Menstrual poo.
To my menstrual poo. I'm finna use that. She's okay. Let's go.
Get away from me.
Wait, that looks like Blair Witch Project. Have you seen the Blair Witch? Huh? Have you seen the Blair Witch? No.
I just want to apologize.
We're gonna be aggy as hell for all these people.
To my right is
Roman in the cut.
and Jake Cahill himself, Rick Dalton.
Hey,
Rick stunt explained to the audience.
So, damn, I got hella hairs in my nose. But the movie is about to start. As you can see, everybody say what up. Guys, the movie is over. When I tell you I need to watch Spider-Man, it was good. It was like good. And like everybody was getting up and like as soon as it got over, as soon as it was over, but I knew like to watch the credits. And they got a spoiler for the next one. They got a spoiler for the next Spider-Man, so you already know we're gonna be back. Whenever that is. It was good. Never get up when the movie is over, especially a Marvel movie, because it's always credits and they're gonna always show a sneak peek for the next one. I'm not even gonna tell y'all what it is. Why? Hi guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna drop all of our social medias down in the description box.
I already promoted myself.
Roman in the tent.
Roman.
Stop smacking.
Okay. All right, peace, y'all.